Everyone is being told to keep their distance from other people, but as the mayor mentioned, not everyone is listening. The Omaha Police Traffic Unit is using a unique approach to make sure people follow the rules in Omaha. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski explains how many calls they've received and why they say it's so important to listen.
This week, the OPD motorcycle unit prepares for another afternoon on metro roads when they can get the bikes out. Instead of focusing completely on traffic enforcement, they're riding on different pavement, on trails, and in parks. Officer James Mosby is keeping an eye on if park goers are following the 10-person social distancing rule.
With the warmer weather and the sun coming out and people being cooped up, we've seen a lot more activity on the trails throughout the metro.
The Omaha Police Traffic Unit says they've done hundreds of compliance checks across the city at places like bars, businesses, and in parks. Lieutenant Jake Ratania says in one day they did 106 checks.
Now that the weather's nicer, our biggest complaints that are rolling in are people are calling about city parks, baseball diamonds, basically anywhere where people really just want to get outside.
Health officials say even young, healthy people getting together with a bunch of others on a basketball court can still spread the virus easily in a park.
These are activities that under all other circumstances would be completely acceptable. Meeting up for a basketball game in the park, or meeting up to play baseball, or meet on the trails. But right now it's highly inadvisable to do that just because of that community spread or the chance of it.
Parks in La Vista have a warning that the equipment hasn't been sanitized. Papillion has closed their playgrounds and sports fields. Omaha Police say the motorcycles are able to get to places their cruisers can't. And they've mostly given warnings when they find a group that's too big.
And so that's really what we're trying to get out, and that's what our officers are getting out there and doing, is just educating people and trying to break up these crowds because we want to limit that spread.
Reporting West Omaha, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
Omaha Police did issue their first citation to Easy's Place Bar and Grill on 157th and Dodge on Thursday. That was for not complying with the health order.